This is a continuation of paragraph number 1. When the partition of India finally occurred, Jinnah, soon to be Governor General of the Dominion means state, of Pakistan, gave expression to his vision of Pakistan in an address to the Constituent Assembly on August 11, 1947. He spoke of an inclusive means comprehensive, detailed, and impartial. Impartial means unbiased, fair. Government, religious freedom, rule of law, and equality for all. He also seemed to advocate the ideology of Pakistan. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah demanded the separate homeland for the Muslim because he believed that both India and Pakistan belong to different sects, so their union in India will cause destruction and chaos in the subcontinent. That is why Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah thought that future history will definitely prove his judgment right. Well, when the partition of India finally occurred, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the Governor General of the state of Pakistan, and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah gave that expression about his vision of Pakistan in his address to the Constituent Assembly on August 11, 1947. His speech is very comprehensive, very fair, and in his speech, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah spoke of inclusive, comprehensive, impartial government, religious freedom, rule of law, equality for all.